Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. A very good morning to you all. Today here in my place in West Karbi Ningkan, it is extremely cold. And today the specialty is the 1st of February as we the tribes of Karbis are celebrating our Karbi Ningkan Kimi. So I wish everyone a very happy Karbi Ningkan Kimi. And you know why we are celebrating our Karbi Ningkan Kimi on this 1st of February? I would like to tell you in a brief. The new year marks as the beginning of the traditional Jum cultivation of the Karbi people. So based on the agricultural life of the Kirbis who started looking for a patch of hills to cultivate in the month of February. So in Kirby, February is named as Tang Tang Ritlang. That means it is the month of February that we the Kirbis look for a patch of hills to cultivate. So this is named as Tang Tang Ritlang. That means searching for a plot of land to cultivate. So 1st of February is marked as the beginning of the year or a new year for the Kirby people. So the Kirbis celebrate this new year by performing the rituals and having a community feast and by conducting some competitions in the village. So in this way we celebrate the Kirby New Year. So once again I wish everyone a very happy Karbi Ningkan Kimi 2022. So thank you.